to be planting potato seeds. And we're going to be showing you 2 different ways of doing it, like some people do. Some people do it like across here in the bed, and some people do it in buckets. I'm going to tell you the materials you need. You will need water, seeds, and you can use a bucket or you can get a bed if you don't have. So I'm planting them in a bed and Ruby's planting them in a bucket. And the first thing you will need is seed potatoes. Next you need to get a spade and then you just make a trench. So you go down and then you push it in and then up and then keep doing it along. And then you have to get the seeds and then put them 25 centimetres apart. This all the way down your trench, but you can do it that way, or you could start one there. Next, cover over the potatoes, but before that, if you want, you can put a stick at each end in case you forget where the potatoes are. And then you need to put some extra soil on the potatoes so they can grow into them. The last job is you need to put the water in, and then you need to put the water, and then if you want to have more than one row, like just put them 60 centimetres apart, like that. First, you need to dig a trench. Next, put the seed potatoes in your trench, 25 centimetres apart. Then cover the potatoes with soil. Then add some extra soil on top for the potatoes to grow into. And finally, water them. When your leaves die down, you can dig them up with a garden fork. I'm going to show you how to grow potatoes in a bucket. If they don't have holes at the bottom, ask the grown-up to drill them at the bottom like this. First you need to put some compost in about 10 centimetres. You may want a grown-up to help you put some soil in your bucket, because it took me ages. It's already knitting here. Depending on your bucket, you can put in 3 to 5 potatoes. another 10 centimetres of compost. Once you're finished, spread it all around so it's even. Last, you're giving a bit of a drink all around it. Take a large bucket with holes at the bottom. Then add 10 centimetres of soil. Then add 3 to 5 potatoes, depending on your bucket. Then cover with another 10 centimetres of soil. As your potatoes grow, keep covering till you get to the top of your bucket. Once your leaves start to die, you can dig out your potatoes. It's been a couple of weeks, so the potatoes have sprouted, and these ones have sprouted, and they're happy there. These potatoes are just starting to grow, and every time they grow, you need to stack them up with soil until it goes to the top. Thank you for watching our video how to make potatoes. If you liked it, put the thumbs up and subscribe by pressing the little bell. Bye!